Welcome back to Hot Hormone Summer. I'm Dr. Ramsey, and today I'm going to talk about what is menopause. So, menopause is a definition given to women. If you think of the word origin, menses pause or menses stop, women stop ovulating, they stop making estrogen, right? So, andropause was low testosterone in men, and menopause is no estrogen in women. And that's the biggest difference between men and women is male levels of testosterone are lower, but women pretty much fall off a cliff and they go to zero with their estrogen. There are symptoms and risks of this that I want to review. So, the symptoms of menopause, the main symptoms that we see all the time would be hot flashes, memory loss, belly fat, fatigue. They start getting more pain. They slow down. They lose their stamina, right? So, it's not typically one symptom, it's typically many. The risks of menopause or low estrogen could be frequent UTIs, bladder infections, urinary tract infections, because estrogen really protects the bladder against bacteria. Another risk of menopause is osteoporosis. We lose our bone strength and we start having brittle bones. Very preventable with using estrogen, period, or estradiol to be specific. We don't have to have osteoporosis in the world if all women went on estradiol when they were 40 to 50. Another risk of menopause is going to be heart disease. Estradiol replacement reduces heart disease significantly. The same with Alzheimer's. Giving estradiol in menopause reduces Alzheimer's risk, reduces colon cancer risks. Estradiol is universal for women. And the symptoms and risks of menopause to me are unnecessary because giving estradiol to women has, in my mind and in the research, zero risks. The risks in menopause to me are not taking estradiol as we age. If you'd like to have more information about this topic and others related to hormones, please sign up below to get exclusive insights for When Hormones 101 Treatments Your Doctor Wasn't Trained to Provide, which is coming out this summer.